We are cooking macaroni in the Hoover house, are we?
We are.
We are. What kind of macaronis are you trying this time?
I don't know. I didn't know I was getting these spirals.
Because I didn't look when I bought them. And they're spirally. Ooh, star. And mine, they're cooking 2 of those, and I'm cooking 2 of these. Because I think these taste better than the normal ones. So, how much baby food did they eat today? Giant eats baby food. He's a weirdo. And Fairchild brought in roly-polies today. And they got loose in the house. I think a good thing her brother told on her. This would have bugs running around the house. Hello, babe.
Hi.
Hi.
Should I get her a toy or something?
Do you want to go on the walker? Do you want to go on the walker? No, she's up. This girl is up. This girl is up. You're up. You're up. You're up. You're up. Yay! Oh, what do we have over here? We have Bad Fairchild. Your name shouldn't be Fairchild no more.
I'll call it Speedy Gonzalez.
Who, Savannah? What did Savannah do to your blanket today?
Oh man, she took a big dump on it.
She poo-wooed on it.
I had to wash it.
Huh?
I have to wash it. It stinks.
On his favorite one, too. You love her the same?
It's never gonna be the same.
No, so it's gonna smell a little bit
Our
like.
relationship is never gonna be the same. She don't give a shit.
Hey, we don't talk like that.
She don't care.
But she literally doesn't give a poo-hoo. You're plain. Yeah, you're plain. Little short midget. Crazy legs. Crazy legs. Ooh, you grabbing on it? It's cute how she's grabbing on it. You bunny girl. Do it. Show us.
What?
Show us what you're doing.
I'm doing this.
Yes, you were. Come on, do
I'm
it.
showing her how to do
Do it.
Savannah. Savannah.
She's trying to do it.
Her legs.
Crazy legs. Crazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You going crazy? Look at this girl. She's going nuts. Crazy. Who are you playing? What are you doing? She's going crazy. She's trying to eat it. Oh, you got a toy. Ooh, you playing.
Please. I want to play with Savannah. I'm going to try to move on you.
What are you doing, silly butt? What are you doing, silly butt? What are you doing,
I
silly
want to move on
butt?
you. I want to try one.
What are you doing?
Please.
What?
Make a move on your mom.
What are you eating, Dell?
I'm
You like your icy, Owen?
Yeah. Excuse us.
Go.
Right through your eyes.
Mom.
Huh? Oh, scary.
I'm
Scary.
a Cyclops.
You're not Cyclops. Lay on the couch.
No, Savannah's
You
No,
wish.
Lay on her.
Savannah's laying on the poopy.
Does it smell good, Cheyenne? Savannah. Look at Savannah. That's funny. That's really funny. I don't want her to eat it. Oh, she doesn't like that. Uh-oh. Oh, now you're so
No, tell him to stop. She don't like violence.
Savannah's eating cheese.
You wrinkled this.
Off my fork. You like it?
Look what he's gonna do.
I think she wants more cheese. You want to feed her some baby food, Daniel? Okay.